Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to bring some new content that y'all have not seen before on this channel specifically. My boy Zeb, he's got a race car, like a real race car. I mentioned it before, it's going to be either in the last video or 2 videos ago where we were working on putting the converter in and the transmission back in. But everything's loaded up, the car's actually in the trailer now, and this is the rig right here, the big old trailer in the truck. So we're going to finish loading up and get our first runs at the track and see what she does. Alrighty guys, so we made it to the track. We're here at Atmore Dragway. Got the trailer, or got the car unloaded off the trailer. Got the hood out, got the golf cart ready. Everything's pretty much ready. About to make sure everything's good with the motor. Do some testing and stuff on it before we go make the first hit. My boy's getting ready right here, and hopefully ready to make some good times with this.
What you got? It's got.
We don't put plugs into it. You're gonna make a pass because you don't want to put your run plugs in to make a run.
Is that the only set you got?
No, I got like a couple sets in there, but he said it's fine if it runs a little rough until you put plugs in it.
All right, crank it up, let it run a little bit.
Yeah, well, I mean, we know it runs. You know what I mean? I think it's yeah.
The key to success is winning.
Really?
yeah. A hell of a f***ing pass. Damn.
Hey! What do you think? What do you think?
Slow. It felt slow to me.
What do you think your time was?
Oh yeah. It felt slow. I was just riding.
Hey, that's better than
Whew. Do what? Thank you. Yeah, it's just slow.
Alrighty guys, so got all the passes done today. We only did 2 passes down the track. That's all he wanted to do. Track is about to close soon anyway. He doesn't want to stay out too late. Did all we had to do, just a little test and tune. Got some test hits. Got to figure it out for next week because we got another event next weekend. So that'll be another video that I can look out for, and hopefully more runs then. It should be more runs then because it'll actually be like more of an event. This was just a little test and tuning. We just wanted to shake down on the car, get used to it again, because it has been a whole season since then. We're about to load it back up on the trailer and we'll catch back up with you. Are you recording?
How do you feel about today's event?
Oh, is this recording?
Yes.
It went pretty decent. I thought it went well. The driver, Zeb W, doesn't really think that it went that great. Says the car is slow. I thought it looked pretty fast, faster than my car. But you know, just mental game. You know, got to stay in there strong. We'll get him next time. You know, all the sayings. We'll catch him, Tiger, whatever. Peter Parker. Hell yeah. No, record that. Record that.
Make it.
Where the pillow go?
Put the blanket!
Just put the.
No.
No, the pillows need to be moved.
The blanket. The blanket.
The blanket.
This ain't a blanket. That's a sheet.
Same thing.
That's cap. Would you use a sheet to like warm yourself up at night?
Yes, I would.
I would.
Okay, now
I
we got
would.
the pillows behind.
Alrighty guys, so I was gonna do it for the video. We made it back. It's late. It's about like a 2.5 hour drive there and back. So had a long day, all tired, so we're gonna call it a night. Got the rig right there, made it safely, so we're all good. My car just turned on. I'm not in it, so somebody else has started my car. But like I said, we got another race next weekend, so we're gonna be recording that, and hopefully we get some good footage for y'all guys. I'm gonna leave my boy's YouTube channel in the description and on the cards above. He'll have a lot more detailed video of today and like all the future race events. I'm just kind of like showing the more behind the scenes, like vlog style type thing, so y'all can see what it's like to be on the other side of like the race crew basically. But appreciate y'all for watching. Y'all be sure to subscribe, turn on bell notifications, leave a like on the video. See you in the next one.
Speeding through the block, bitch telling. You won't believe how many times I done and lost control. Now I ain't loose, but y'all smell me.